Dear friend, you are welcome to our YouTube channel eGuardian India. Today we will discuss about 50 important multiple choice question and the answer of C programming. These all are the MCQ type questions prepared by eGuardian India. Let's start the video. Question number 1. Which of the following language is predecessor to C programming language? The right option is C. BCPL. Question number 2. C programming language was developed by. The right option is A. Dennis Ritchie. Question number 3. C was developed in the year. The right option is B. 1972. Question number 4. C language is available for which of the following operating system? Right option is D. All of these. It is available for DOS, Windows, Unix. Question number 5. Which of the following symbol is used to denote a preprocessor statement? The right answer is option B. Hash. Question number 6. Which of the following is a scalar data type? The right option is A. Float. Question number 7. Which of the following are tokens in C? The right option is D. All of the above. Keywords, variables, constants. Question number 8. Which symbol is used as a statement terminator in C? The right answer is option D. Semicolon. Question number 9. Character constants should be enclosed between. The right option is A. Single quotes. Question number 10. String constants should be enclosed between. The right option is B. Double quotes. Question number 11. The maximum length of a variable in C is. Right option is A. 8. Question number 12. What will be the maximum size of a float variable? Right option is C. 4 bytes. Question number 13. What will be the maximum size of a double variable? The right option is C. 8 bytes. Question number 14. The operator double ampersand is an example for dash operator. The right option is D. Logical. Question number 15. The operator ampersand is used for. Right option is A. Bitwise AND. Question number 16. The bitwise AND operator is used for. Right option is C. Masking. Question number 17. Explicit type conversion is known as? Right option is A. Casting. Question number 18. Header files in C contain. Right option is B. Library functions. Question number 19. An ampersand before the name of a variable denotes. Right option is C. Address. Question number 20. C supports how many basic looping constructs? The right option is B. 3. Question number 21. The conversion characters for data input means that the data item is. Right option is B. A short integer. Question number 22. Which of the following is a keyword is used for a storage class? The right option is C. Auto. Question number 23. The number of the relational operators in the C language is. Right option is B. 6. Question number 24. The continue command cannot be used with. Right option is A. 4. Question number 25. C allows arrays of greater than 2 dimensions. Who will determine this? Right option is B. Compiler. Question number 26. Array subscripts in C always start at. Right option is C. 0. Question number 27. A type cast is used to. Right option is B. Force a value to be a particular variable type. Question number 28. Operator precedence determines which operator. Right option is B. Is used first. Question number 29. If you do not initialize a static array, what will be the element set to? Right option is A. 0. Question number 30. The process of translating a source program into machine language is a function of. Right option is A. Compiler. Question number 31. Function argument can be. Right option is D. All of the above. A structure member, a pointer variable, a complete structure. Question number 32. C is a dash level programming language. Right option is C. Middle level. Question number 33. A function is a subroutine that may include one or more dash designed to perform a specific task. Right option is B. Statements. Question number 34. C supports the dash statement to branch unconditionally from one point to another in the program. Right option is B. Go to. Question number 35. The dash is used to break out of the case statement. Right option is C. Break. Question number 36. The program instructions and global and static variables are stored in a region known as a permanent storage area, and the local variables are stored in another area are called. Right option is A. Stack. Question number 37. The memory space that is located between these two regions is available for dynamic allocation during the execution of the program. This free memory region is called dash. Right option is A. Heap. Question number 38. ADT means. The correct answer is option B. Abstract data types. Question number 39. In an dash expression, a binary operator separates its operands. Right option is A. Postfix. Question number 39. In a dash expression, the operands of an operator precede the operator. Right option is A. Postfix. Question number 40. Dash is a library function used in C to display any output to the terminal. The text to be printed is enclosed in dash quotes. Right option is B. Printf double. Printf double. Question number 41. Continue statement is used. Right option is A. To go to the next iteration in a loop. Question number 42. A pointer to a pointer is a form of. Right option is C. Both A and B. Multiple indirections, a chain of pointers. Question number 43. A multi-dimensional array can be expressed in terms of. Right option is A. Array of pointers rather than as pointers to a group of a contiguous array. Question number 44. Besides the file of pointers which we explicitly open by calling fopen, there are also dash predefined streams. Right option is B. 3. Question number 45. The two user defined data types are. Right option is D. Enumerated typed. Question number 46. Nesting of macro is not allowed. Right option is B. False. Is a true false type questions. Question number 47. Pointer is a variable containing the address of another variable. Right option is A. True. Question number 48. A function cannot return a pointer to the caller. Right option is B. False. Question number 49. Linked list can be used to implement stacks and queues. Right option is A. True. Question number 50 and last question. We cannot write a function that returns the structure. Right option is B, false. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and make your comments about the answers and subscribe to our channel.